What is up, Nikhil? You're back with a new video. So today we will be making a paper airplane. I don't have one made yet, so this is gonna be my first one making. You only need one piece of paper. It can fly from right here all the way to my kitchen. So let's get right into the video. I gotta set up my camera, and then yeah, we're gonna get into the video. Alright guys, so you will need, for this video, you will need one piece of paper. I already said that. Fold it in half, hot dog style, and then unfold it. Fold the top right corner to the line that you just made. And then do the same with the other side. Obviously everybody knows this when you make a paper airplane. So alright, after you do that, you'll flip it over so it looks like this, and then take the top, put the pointy part against the line until you see the whole flat, like, and then you fold it. You flip it like that, and then you take the right corner, put it into the middle line right there, put it into right here. Take the left one, put it right here. Take this little pointy part, flip it up, fold it in half like that. This is what I use to when I throw it. And then fold it like this. And then just same with the other side, and there you go. You have a paper airplane. I use this little part right here to throw it, because when you throw it, you gotta be very gentle, like this. Look, I saw it right here. See, it'll fly smooth. So now I got my friend on the phone. Andrew, can I show you in my YouTube video? Alright, here's my friend. Show your face, bruh. That's my friend. You better be a subscriber. Alright, now we do a plane test of the plane. Walk all the way over here. And then I'm right here, you know. Throw it. Oh, flew all the way over there. You saw that? You guys see that? It even hit the roof. Same thing. Alright, now I'm gonna throw over there. Mom, watch out. Oh, it did a curve. No way. Oh, it landed all the way over here. Ah. Let's go from here. Oh. Andrew, you still on the phone? Right. In my kitchen now. Whoa. Alright, that's enough testing. Plane right here. If you go to my school, you can have this. Alright, that'll close out for today's video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I made this plane yesterday from a YouTube video, and it does not fly good at all. Like, oh, it actually does. Okay, maybe mine does better. Let's see. Oh, mine went way farther. Way farther. Don't tell me it went. Yep, it went in there. Oh well, whatever. I'll just make another one. Alright. If you're new here, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.